Snuggly's best friend. Even though Snuggly is a boy,
Baby,
Snuggla is a
you
girl.
hold the starfish, oh.
Is it alive?
Yes.
I'm not sure if it'll take little steps. It takes little steps only.
Oh.
I don't want to. I don't want to. Just... Well,
It's just a starfish. Oh my God.
I think there's a fish over there. The one I saw.
Buhay ba siya,
Sea
Dad?
creatures.
Ayun, ang daming isda, oh. There, oh. Baby, here, oh. Come here, come here. Come here. Do you see them? Ayan, oh.
Don't chase them away.
Do not move kasi the water so you can see them. Oh, ayun, oh. Oh. There, oh.
I can see them. They're little sardines.
Sardines.
They're tiny little babies.
Yes.
Sometimes they'll grow up.
They'll
And
grow
they'll
up
grow
and
up.
you will eat them, right?
What the? I don't want to hurt them. They're just cute. I don't want to fish them as well.
Why?
I don't
are
want
for
any
you.
fish catchers to get here.
Fisherman.
You're like, ano, Flint Lockwood. Don't like sardines. He likes
I'm not a-
burger.
Oh, I'm not a boy, you know.
No, I mean, he doesn't like fish.
Well,
He likes burger, spaghetti.
what about Sam Sparks?
Some Sparks also don't like sardines. He doesn't like.
She's a girl, so I don't like sardines. But a bit.
It's sardines nga eh.
Yeah, it was delicious in real life, but then not there. Swallow Falls.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
No, is it real?
Yes, it's real. It's moving. Look at it. Just careful.
Ali, take a picture. Ay, video. Dali.
Don't touch it.
Uy, bakit pahiga?
Yan sila maglangoy.
Di ba patayo? Ali, don't take a jellyfish.
Kaya nga sila mabilis oh. Pagkakat na ganyan sila, sinari sila.
His name is Snuggly.
Snuggy blue, snuggy jellyfish. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. What?
Now send it to Lola Mary.
Lola Mary. And to whom?
Who else?
Where else? Go swim na.
Whatever. Bye.
Go swim na. Go swim. Ali. Lee. Here, come here. Come here. Galing ah. Oh, she's coming. She's coming. The shark is coming. Sharky. Ang galing ng baby. Come na. Dali. Ay, ang babaw lang pala.